Okay, today we're looking at solving equations by undoing. This may look familiar. This is similar to the title we had for section 2.7. Little difference. Our objective today is to use equations to solve a variety of real-life problems. The procedure of solving by undoing can be employed to solve many different kinds of mathematical problems. So basically your typical story problem is what we're looking at today. All right, so Rosa spent $5.12 to buy and mail 8 postcards. The total cost of the stamps was $1.52. How much did she pay for each postcard? So we have the $5.12 total is going to equal the $1.52 she spent on stamps plus 8 postcards times the price of the postcard. So let P equal the price of 1 postcard. Okay? So what we'll do is we'll subtract the $1.52 that we know she spent on stamps. Okay? So we know then that it's $3.60 that she spent on the 8 postcards. So if I divide by 8, that should tell me how much she paid for each postcard. So if I divide, 8 goes into 36 4 times with 4 left over. So it looks like she spent 45 cents for each postcard. Check your answer. So we take the 8 times the 45 cents. Okay, then we're going to add the $1.52. And we want to know, does that equal $5.12? Okay? So if we put this in the calculator, we get $3.60. Add the $1.52, that does equal $5.12. So we know our answer is correct. All right, here's another example. John took 3.5 hours to shovel the Andersons' driveway and sidewalk, and then 1.5 hours to shovel the Lytle's driveway. He charged the same amount per hour for each job, so in all he earned $32.50. What did he charge per hour for his work? All right, so the $32.50 is what he has when he's done there. So 3.5 hours times what he charged plus 1.5 hours times what he charged. Okay, so we can use the same letter because they told us that he charged the same amount per hour per family, okay? So if we add this together, basically he worked 5 hours at whatever rate, and then that got him his $32.50, okay? So if I divide by 5, that should tell us what he earned, or what he charged, I guess, per hour. So I'll take my $32.50, and we're going to divide that by 5. So 0.25 would be 5, so $6.50 is what he charged per hour, per family. And again, if we check our answer, well, we take the 3.5 hours times $6.50 plus the 1.5 hours times $6.50. And we want to know, does it equal $32.50? Okay, and if we were to put that in a calculator, we would find out that yes, we would be correct. So in theory, okay, when we have a quiz or a test on this, you would know when you hand in your quiz if you got 100% or not, because if you check your answers and they don't work, that means you need to go back and change something, that something's wrong, okay, that the $6.50 wasn't wrong, for example, okay, or was wrong, excuse me. All right, Andrew bought a sleeve of golf balls, it's a 3-pack, and a golf towel. The golf towel cost $4.50, the items cost $15. How much did each golf ball cost? So 3 times the price of each golf ball plus the $4.50 he spent on the towel is going to equal $15. Okay? So we're going to subtract the $4.50 that we know he spent on the towel. All right, and we know that's going to equal it's going to equal $10.50. Okay, so that means he spent $10.50 on 3 golf balls. So if I divide by 3, that'll tell me what 1 golf ball cost. So $10.50 divided by 3 would be 15, would be $3.50. Okay? And And again, we can check our answers. So we got 3 golf balls times $3.50. Add the 450, and we want to know, does it equal $15? And again, if we checked ourselves, 3 times 350 is 1050. 1050 plus 450 is $15. So we know we're correct. All right, these steps are what I had written down for 2-7. So you should probably already have these in your notes, but if you've misplaced them, you may want to write them down again. All right, this is going to take us through this section as well. So, combine like terms on the same side of the equal sign. All right, I don't have any like terms on this side, so I'm done with number 1. Number 2, get all variables to one side of the equal sign. Okay, all my x's are over here. All numbers to the other side of the equal sign. Okay, so I need to get this 8 over there. So remember, if I subtract 8 from 8, that's 0. Okay, and 3x plus 0 is just 3x. So that's we're trying to get x by itself. So if I subtract 8 from here, I have to subtract 8 from here. Sorry about that. So that would be negative 27. Divide by 3. So x would equal negative 9. Okay? So once we get to the actual solving, all right, so down here, we've got all numbers to the other side of equal sign, so we did that, and we keep going until you have a positive singular variable equal to a number, which we have, x equals negative 9. Okay, you can also check your answers on these. So if x equals negative 9, you'd say, well, 3 times negative 9 is negative 27, plus my 8 gets me my negative 19, so I know I'm right. Okay, here's another one. Combine like terms on the same side of the equal sign. All right, this time we do have like terms. So I'm going to take my 8x plus my 5x, and that's going to get me 13x. Okay, and then we're going to divide by 13. All right, so this is what I was talking about, where they aren't always going to come out to the nicest numbers, okay? So in this case, we're going to come out with a fraction or a decimal, depending how you want to give your answer, okay? So it'd be 20 over 13. If you make that a mixed number, let's see, that goes in once with 7 left over. So it'd be 1 7/13. Actually, negative 1 7/13. Or if you were using a calculator, you're going to get a nasty decimal. So let's go 20 divided by 13 is 1.5384615538. Okay, we're not going to write all that down, plus it's not an exact answer anyway. So if you're going to use the calculator, you need to use this symbol if you're going to round your answer. So in this case, it equals about negative 1.54. This symbol kind of looks like an equal sign, but kind of wavy, kind of like the similar sign. Okay, what that means, it means approximately equal to. So it means I rounded my answer. Okay? So if you want to leave it as an improper fraction, right here at negative 20/13, I'm fine with that. You can stop right there. You don't even have to do the mixed number or the decimal. Okay? Go ahead and leave it improper. Okay? Here's another one. All right? So combine like terms. Okay, there aren't any. 2, get all variables to one side. Okay, so our x is on this side, so we need to add 3 to get our numbers over here. So 18, 19, 21. All right, so we did that, and we're going to keep going until we have a positive singular variable equal to a number. So I'm going to divide by 0.03. Okay, this is why I'm going to allow you to use calculators today, because you're going to get some nasty answers here today. But I'll still do it on the side of my paper. So 21 divided by 0.03. So 3 goes into 21 7 times. Remember 0, so x would equal 700. And again, you can check your answer. So 0.03 times 700 minus 3, does it get me 18? We can check it in the calculator. Okay, I know it's right, so we're good. We're done.